Hi guys, here's a fun way to prank your friends. Every shirt will show the same image. Now to do this, open your friend's PC browser and simply search for Image Replace extension. So this is the one. Open it and add to Chrome. Add extension. So the extension has been added. So you can find it here. Now search for some funny images. Funny image and images. So we need to copy the image URL. So right click and copy image address. Make sure you have the right to use the image. Open the browser and paste if the image works or not. Now again, click here, go to the image replace extension, paste the link, enable this and save it. So it's saved. Now whatever you search for, like hello, every image will be replaced by this image. If you go to images, and every photos are replaced by whatever image you chose. Let's try another search. So it is replaced again. The speed is basically depending on how fast the image loads. So do give it a try and it's going to be quite a good fun. And to disable this, simply open the extension. Make sure to untick this and save it. Now everything will be normal. So please do give it a try. It's definitely going to be very fun. Thank you very much.